Another night, another bench. Very close to the edge.
Yeah.
Really got to trust this backrest.
Yeah, surprisingly, let me just stand this way. Like, look at this. Yeah.
I'm impressed. Health and safety passed it.
Yeah, they were like fine, but also that's interesting because those seats at the back over there, they don't have any back support. So like,
What if you
if you're there,
switched from a backrest to a non-backrest
yeah,
and you forgot
yeah,
and you fell in? I mean, I'm sure that could happen.
yeah, swim a little bit.
Awful. For that reason, it's quite unique.
Yeah,
In fact, you are the fence. Like, sitting here provides an extra layer of safety to those walking by.
yeah,
You know, there is no fence, but you are the fence.
and we have security, so it's quite a good spot here.
Yeah. Of course, you do end up sitting on your side because you want to see some of the river.
Because you want to sit this way, right?
Yeah. But
Well, just to show the view, so that's where you're kind of looking at. It's pretty good.
yeah, it's a calm spot.
Yeah, good for sitting down, relaxation. It's also a lot of benches, so I think you always have a spot, right?
Secure and clean.
Yeah.
Calm and relaxing.
Yeah. And look at these swans right there. Huh.
No armrests.
Yeah, not on this one. So, yeah, what are you saying? Also, they're relatively new, like this is new wood.
Not the most comfortable, but everything else is alright. It's definitely at least 3 something.
3.4? 3.4?
Yeah, maybe it's 7.
6? 3.7? It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah. There are more comfortable ones, but you know, it's a good location.
It's a good location, yeah. Take a look at the bench again. Look how close it is to the water. It's pretty insane. Yeah. Alright, so 3.7, yeah?
Yeah.